Welcome to Sermilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 7 different chess tactics every chess player should know. Let's go to the tactic 1. Hello everyone, watch this video carefully. I am going to explain and analyze this particular chess tactic deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is white chain. In 4 moves, how to white win the game. Okay, I am going to explain. First move is white chain. You can now think this rook cut like this. Then if he take like this, then bishop go to there and beautiful check and wrap the rook. Okay, we will see. First move is white chain. Okay, now white rook at the knight, then black rook at the rook, then beautiful move make white bishop take the pawn and check. Now totally this game white win, because if beautiful pawn e3 c3 white pawn cut the black rook, king go to there and the pawn take the rook. That's it. That's why this game totally win white, because white has 4 pawn, a rook and a bishop. What black has 4 pawn, a king and a rook. Okay, totally this game white win easily. Okay, let's go to the tactic 2. Hello everyone, this is tactic 2. How to white win the game, why black lost the game. I am going to explain. First move is white chain. White need to cut like this bishop. If cut like this, then rook take the bishop, then white make a beautiful move, make this pawn go to there and fork the rook and knight, then black lost the game. We will see. I am going to explain and analyze now. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is bishop cross d6, then rook cross d6, then e5 pawn to e5 and 4, then rook go to d4. Totally this game now the knight is gone. That's it. That's why this game totally white win easily. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the tactic 3. Okay, hello everyone, this is tactic 3. How to white wins by the checkmate in 5 moves only. How to white won by checkmate. Okay, we will see now. First move is white chain. Okay, white rook take the phony and beautiful check there. If king go to h8, then cut the pawn and sacrifice the rook. If king take the rook, that's it. In 2 moves, white wins by checkmate. You can see how to white wins by checkmate. If queen come to here and beautiful check, then king go to h8. This is the blunder he made. That's why this game easily won the game white. White queen go to h3 and beautiful check. Black the check with queen, then wrap the queen and checkmate. That's it. This is tactic 3. We can go to the tactic 4. Okay. Hello everyone, this is tactic 4. How to white wins by checkmate in 2 moves only. You can watch this video until finish this particular chess tactics. Okay, first move is queen sacrifice. If white queen go to cut this pawn, if rook take the pawn, then this knight go to there and beautiful checkmate. Okay, you can see now. First move is white chain. How to white wins by checkmate. Okay, now queen cross h7 and beautiful check here. If queen sacrifice, okay, if rook take the queen, that's it. In 1 move, knight g6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the tactics 5. Okay, hello everyone, this is chess tactics 5. How to black win the game, why white lost the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is black 10. Now black queen go to b6 and cut the pawn. Queen cross b6 and cut the pawn, and beautiful check here. You can see now this queen there is a beautiful check. In the same time, this queen attack the rook. Okay, if king move like this, then wrap the rook. Then white rook come to h7. This idea ways key made a beautiful checkmate here. That's why key pushed the rook here. What? Black playing amazingly now. You can see how to black won the game. Another move, queen 8 for a1 and beautiful check here. If king come to here, that's it. In one moves, beautiful attack with black queen and bishop. Now queen come to here and b2 check. If cut the queen, by the queen, then bishop takes the queen. Totally this game, black has so many pieces, easily won the game black. Okay, let's go to the tactic 6. Okay, hello everyone. This particular chess tactics, white wins white checkmate in 3 moves only. How to white wins white checkmate? Please watch until finish this video. This is very important chess tactics for white. Okay, first move is white 10. How to white win the game? First move is bishop g7 and beautiful check. Bishop sacrifice. If cut the bishop, why the king? Then queen cross h7 and beautiful check. If king go to f8, only his face, one is face, the black king has. But now beautiful checkmate with queen cross f7 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. That's why this game easily won white. Okay, white won the game. Why the checkmate? That's it. We can go to the tactics 7. Okay. Hello everyone. This tactics for black. How to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. This particular chess game, black win easily. First move is black 10. How to black won the game. Now black 10. Queen go to b2 and beautiful check. Then king go to d1. Okay. Then queen e2, beautiful check here. If what happened going to be king cross c1 knight. White king at the black knight. Then bishop go to a3 and beautiful check here. Now only one is face white king has. If king go to b1, that's it. Now beautiful checkmate with queen b2 and beautiful checkmate. That's why this game easily win black. That's it today video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.